Alright, got a new blade on the table saw here. Decided to throw the indicator on it, get it shimmed up and running true. True enough at least. Get the fence adjusted. Got it just stuck on this 1, 2, 3 block with the magnet. We'll see how parallel to the fence we are, just running the 1, 2, 3 block on there with it stuck on there. See if we can zero it. Oh, there we go. Easily within a thousandth straight. Looking pretty dang good. Gonna go ahead and spin it. Yes, it's unplugged, but it's probably within 3 of running true, but good enough for me. Should be cutting really nice.